Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
You are presently looking at Lesson 1, Understanding Division. Now, hopefully you clicked on this button to obtain this video. Here are the directions. Click on the video button for directions and answers for this lesson. Please look carefully at each problem and read what needs to be done. You will divide each of the pictures and write the following: the total in each group, and the number of groups. Draw a square around each picture illustrating the number of groups and the total in each group. Okay, if you look carefully, you'll notice that we have 8 problems. 3 on the left here, 1, 2, 3, and over here we have 8. But we also have an example. And the example right here is going to show you what we're talking about. Let's look at that. In understanding division, you'll notice that we're showing you here some pictures of what we're talking about. Now, first of all, how many items do we have here? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we're showing you that there are 12 items. Now, what we've done is placed 3 groups, but in each group we have 1, 2, 3, 4 items in each group. So it's 4. So 12 divided by 4 will give you how many groups? 1, 2, 3. 4 groups will give you 3. So we can also do the opposite. We can multiply. 3 times 4 is 12, right? Or we can go 12 divided by 3 is 4. There's a lot of different ways to look at this, but we're trying to show you in a picture video of what we're talking about. We want you to fully understand division. Let's look at the next one here. It's a problem, but we'll call it an example. In this one, we are going to divide this group into 3s. How many items do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have 9 items. Now, how many items do we want in each group? 3. So that will give us 3 groups. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. Now, what we want you to do when you do these problems is we would like for you to draw a line around each group. So here's group 1, 2, 3. And how many items in each group? 1, 2, 3. Because we're using the number 9, it's kind of like duplicating itself, isn't it? But we want to make sure that you fully grasp and understand what we're talking about. Now, if you would, in a few seconds here, we'd like to have you pause the video and complete the rest of these, then continue playing the video, and we will provide you with the answer. If you would, please pause the video now. Thank you. Okay, let's pick up where we left off, so hopefully we have a better understanding of division. Let's look at problem number 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items. 2 times 8 is 16. So we have a total of 16, but we're going to have 4 in each group. All right, so 16 divided by 4 is 4. Now what we're going to do here is draw a block around each one. So here's group 1, 2, 3, and 4, and there's 4 in each group. So hopefully that one made sense. Let's look at the last one here, number 3 anyway. We're going to divide it into groups of 6. How many items do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 times 9, because there's 2 of those, is equal to 18, and we want 6 in each group. So here's 18 divided by 6, and how many groups are we going to have? 3. Let's see what I have here. I have group 1, 2, 3, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 18 divided by 6 is 3. But what is 3 times 6? 18. What's 18 divided by 3? 6. Okay, so hopefully that part makes sense. Let's look at the next one. Problem number 4. We're going to divide this into groups of 5. What's the total number? Well, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 times 5 is 15. Now, we're going to put 5 in each group. So how many groups are we going to have? 3. So if you look carefully, here's what I have. Right? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in each group, and we have 1, 2, 3 groups. So 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, let's look at number 5. And this time we're going to take the same number, 15, but we are going to divide it into groups that have 3. So here's 15, and we have 3 items in each group. What does that look like? Well, here's what it looks like. Here we have 3, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 groups with 3 in each group. Let's slide down and look at the next one. Here we're going to divide this into groups of 8, or 8 in each group. So we have, if you count them up, you'll see that we have 24. So if there's 8 in each group, how many groups are there? 3. Let's look and see what this picture looks like. Okay, here's 8, 8, and 8. So we have 1, 2, 3. So 24 divided by 8 is 3, or 3 times 8 is 24, right? Or 24 divided by 3 is 8. You can look at this many different ways. Let's look at number 7. Here again we have 24. However, this time we're going to divide it by placing 4 in each group. Let's look at this one. Here's 24, right? And we're going to divide it by 4. There's going to be 4 in each group, so there's going to be 6 groups. Let's see what this one looks like. Okay, so here's 1, 2, 3, 4, and how many groups do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we have 6 groups of 4. So 24 divided by 4 is 6. 24 divided by 6 is 4. And also 4 times 6 is 24. Okay, let's look at the last one. This is 24 of these, and we're going to divide it into groups of 12, or 12 in each group. Let's look at the total number. We said there were 24. Here's 24 divided by 12. So 12 goes into 24 2 times. So let's look and see what this picture looks like. Here's 12 and 12. So 24 divided by 12 is 2, because there's 12 in each group. Or 24 divided by 2 is 12. Or 2 times 12 is 24. Well, we hope this helped you, and we enjoy making these videos, and we'll definitely be making some more. But we'd like to thank you for watching our videos.
That's all, folks.